Hello friends, may you all be safe. I will talk about two software for image upscaling. And we will scale up the image from both and see their results. There is an AI Image Upscaler Pro in front. You can also upscale a single image or bulk images. The creators of this software claim that it enlarge photos and increase image resolution. Ultimate desktop tool to enhance your photos with the power of artificial intelligence. We will look at a single image here, scaled up. There are 6 types of AI models here. We will use Really sRGAN here for 2x upscaling. So, first we browse for the image. And, select an image here and open it. Now, in the output directory we will select the same folder. So, that our upscaled image is saved in the same folder. Now, you have nothing else to do here. If you click on Manage Custom Models, your custom models will be listed here. And, in the processing device you have Force GPU, and Force CPU. I'll tell you about that when we start image upscaling. You can see about this software in the documentation, help and about us. Details of AI Image Upscaler Pro are here. Now we click on Start Enhance here. So the AI components will be loaded first. After this, a message came that no compatible NVIDIA GPU found. This means you must have a NVIDIA graphics card for this software. If there is no NVIDIA graphics card, it will process on the CPU. And it will use your CPU for image upscaling. AI components have been loaded here. And processing has started with the CPU. Here it will take some time to upscale the image. Whether you need to make a picture bigger for a print, improve photo quality for a professional project, or simply perform photo restoration on cherished memories. Image enhanced successfully message is there and click on OK. So, you can see an image that has been upscaled by AI Image Upscaler Pro. We will first open the original image at 100%. And this is upscaled by AI Image Upscaler Pro. And you can see the result at 100%. The image has been upscaled, but I don't think the result is good. That is, contrary to our expectations, the image result is not good. Among its remaining models, the second will scale up to 4x. You can check out the rest of the models in it. Its standard model is the Really sRGAN. I have tried other models, but this one gives good results. And you can see the result here. AI Image Upscaler Pro is more than just a simple image resizer. It intelligently analyzes and reconstructs your images. But the image details are not that good. Transform a pixelated drawing into not a crisp piece of digital art. But go beyond simple scaling technology, intelligently fills in missing details for a natural. If you type AI Image Upscaler Pro in Google search, so you will have to buy AI Image Upscaler Pro from the Microsoft Store. It is showing the price here as 1,049 in Pakistani currency, which comes to about $3.71. This software has a rating of 3+. 3+ means its AI upscaling isn't that good. The users find AI Image Upscaler Pro to be poor, because it can deform images, lack basic features like bulk processing and output size control, and produce disappointing quality. Some alternatives, like the free tool Upscale, are praised by users for providing good results and local processing. Now we will check Upscale AI Image Upscaler. The latest version of Upscale is 2.15.0. In step 1, you have to select the image. In step 2, you have to select an AI model. In step 3, you have to set the output folder. So we select the image, which is step 1. We will select the same image as we did in AI Image Upscaler Pro. And now we will select the AI model. It has a standard, upscale light, high fidelity, remacry, ultramix, ultra sharp, and digital art. We will try its upscale standard model. And we will upscale this image up to 2x. We select the output folder as follows. And in step 4, you have to click on Upscale. So hold on, doing the upscale magic. It upscale image, from science fiction to reality. Upscale lets you enhance your images, using AI. Hassle-free, and easy to use. And it will save the image after upscaling it, in the folder we selected. It will take a little time, while scaling up. Maybe keep squinting at the screen, that might work, but let's not count on it. And this image before, and this after upscaling. You will see a clear difference. You will see this difference when I zoom in on the image. This is the image that Upscale did. First, look at its original image. Spots are visible on the face, in the original image. And, after doing this upscale, it has also removed the spots from the face. This software also retains facial details. Its quality is much better than AI Image Upscaler Pro. If you type Upscale in Google search, and if you go to its website and click on download, you can use this software for free. Upscale is a powerful image upscaling tool that uses advanced AI technology to enhance your images. And you don't need to make any payment here. Click on download and choose if you want to use it for Windows or for Mac or for Linux. Suppose you click on Windows, it will be downloaded for Windows. And the great thing is that this software is completely free up to 10 credits. And in the image you can see the original image, in which spots are visible on the face. And after upscaling, the spots have also been removed from the face of the image. Upscale Desktop is the most popular free and open source AI upscaler. Upscale Desktop continues to be the best free and open source image upscaler for Linux, Mac OS, and Windows with new features and improvements. Download the latest version and start upscaling your images today. As I have shown, there are spots on the face of the original image. And after the upscaling, the spots have also been removed from the face. It has better upscaling than AI Image Upscaler Pro, which is a free software. This is the difference between these two software. Upscale Cloud has all the features you need to upscale your images and more. Upscale Desktop is free to use. You can just download and start using it, without any restrictions. You need a Fukin-compatible graphics card to use Upscale Desktop. Upscale do not train your models on user data. Upscale take privacy very seriously, and do not use your data for training models. Upscale Desktop is free, but the Mac App Store version is not. And finally, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.